Bitcoin will eventually be a global currency, and a $1 million price target within the next 10 years is very reasonable, says Kraken CEO. Okay, so let's get in the article. Bitcoin is going to the moon, Mars, and eventually will be the world's currency, Kraken CEO said. I think $1 million as a price target within the next 10 years is very reasonable. The price of Bitcoin is up 70% year to date. Bitcoin will eventually be the world's currency because you have to think it's going to infinity. Jesse Powell, CEO of cryptocurrency trading exchange Kraken, said in a Bloomberg interview on Thursday. National currencies are already showing extreme signs of weakness, and people will soon start measuring the price of things in terms of Bitcoin, he said. Quote, I think true believers will tell you it's going all the way to the moon, to Mars, and eventually it'll be the world's currency. San Fran-based Kraken is in talks to raise new funding that would double its valuation to over $10 billion. Is this possible? Can Bitcoin hit $1 million? And the answer might surprise you. It is extremely possible. If you look at total valuations and market caps, a $1 million Bitcoin price target over the next 10 years is extremely reasonable. We're not even talking insane growth metrics. We're talking basically keeping up what it's been doing. If Bitcoin just keeps up what it's been doing year after year, and we keep having very good explosive bull markets, even if there are some years of downturns and bear markets, which are expected, Bitcoin hitting $1 million is very reasonable within the next 10 years. Now, I will say it will definitely be closer to 10 years than like 5 years, right? We're talking 10 years down the line, right? We're talking like 2030, 2031. What will the price of Bitcoin be? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Comment down below, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be in 2031? Now, you have to remember, what we've been seeing is just accelerating when it comes to Bitcoin. It's not just going to be more of the same. We're seeing in like actual companies now. We are seeing actual stock market, publicly traded companies buying Bitcoin and keeping it on their balance sheet. The biggest one I would say so far has been Tesla, okay? Now, what happens when every year we have a couple more Teslas, right? A couple more big companies pouring billions of dollars into Bitcoin because it doesn't make sense to hold fiat anymore, okay? So that's the thing here to really look at. It's not so much of just looking at the retail buying, and obviously retail buying is going to pick up. More and more people are going to own Bitcoin. That's all, absolutely true. But where I think you're really going to see a lot of money come into Bitcoin's market cap is with the actual companies, the Fortune 500 companies getting in on Bitcoin, buying it, putting it on their balance sheet, saying, hey, we're going to buy a couple $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. We're not going to touch it for 10 years. We just don't want to keep our money in fiat currency because the government is printing it recklessly. The key here is people are losing trust in the banking system, and Bitcoin is going to profit off of that, okay? If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. As always, have a great day. And also, if you did want to get a VPN, which is a great way to enhance your privacy protections from big government or big corporations, use my link in the description to my Pure VPN link in the description. You get a big discount if you use my link and you do the 2-year plan. You can save up to 70% off. So definitely do that if you are interested in getting a VPN. Again, thanks so much and have a great day.